My name is Wendell Costa, and this is my webpage. What I'll be discussing is the purpose, the effects of impacts, technical aspects, relationship to data, and references. First off, purpose. First question, indicate the name of the innovation and provide clear description of its intended purpose, such as the problem that the innovation solved, the opportunity that the innovation created, or the discovery that the innovation made possible. I wrote, the purpose of the social media is for people to connect to other people online and stay in touch with one another. Social media made it possible for people to talk and text other people by instant messaging that are featured on sites. Social media has become a part of everyone's daily lives and became an online business. This present day, everything is ran through social media. That's where all marketing and business is handled now. It makes it easier for people to do what they have to do with just a couple taps with their thumbs. The purpose of this video is to show what social media is used for and what people do with social media.
What is social media in simple English? Many of you are interested in search engine optimization or internet marketing may have heard of the term social media. It is a phrase that gets thrown around a lot nowadays in the search engine marketing world, but upon questioning, many people do not know what social media actually is and what types of websites are classed as social media websites. So what is social media? Essentially, social media incorporates the online technology and methods through which people can share content, personal opinions, swap different perspectives, and insights into world issues and generally discuss the evolution of media itself. Social media website content can come in many shapes and forms. Text. Text is often used to put across opinions or write blog posts. Images. Images and photos can display anything from holiday photos to shots by professional photographers. Audio. Social media lets you create podcasts for users to download. Video. Video sites mean that you'll be able to record a video of your child's birthday for friends all over the world to see. The most popular types of social media websites are huge at the moment.
This is basically what I was saying, and I'll elaborate on the next. Effects and impacts. Question B, explain a benefit and or harmful effect of the innovation. I said, the internet and social media provides young people with a range of benefits and opportunities to empower themselves in a variety of ways. Young people can maintain social connections and support network that otherwise couldn't be possible and can access more information than ever before. The negative aspect of social media is that it makes it harder for people to establish and foster a real relationship with one another. It's different now that there is social media. People are growing up socially awkward because they don't socialize as much in the real world, just on social media. Social media also affects people's privacy. Social media encourages people to live their lives more publicly and less privately, leading to cyberbullying and shaming because everyone doesn't get each other's lives. Question C, explain the impact that the innovation has had on society, economy, and or culture. The impact that social media has had on society is that it's given the people a chance of connecting with people around the world in less than a second. It has revolutionized the way of messaging and communicating with others. It offers the opportunity to post pictures and express yourself in any way you like. It's also impacted the business world due to the fact that social media is also self-promotion. Businesses promote their own product without having to pay for promotion. Social media has also provided jobs for many people. People nowadays get paid for likes and views from certain sites they present themselves on, which is helping the economy. Question D, indicate the one field other than computer science which this innovation has impacted or the potential to impact. Describe the impact. Besides computer science, LinkedIn has been an impactful platform for young adults that are in school and are looking for jobs. LinkedIn is a good way of connecting with people to network and find people that are in the same job field as you. It could develop relationships that could help down the road to get your job of choice. Tinder is also a good platform to meet new people or potential soulmate. Instagram is another impactful platform where people post pictures and videos. It's also great for keeping up with urban news and news that is happening all the way around the world. This is a picture of social media sites. I thought that was pretty good for the site. This is pretty much social media connecting all over the world, connecting to people, connecting to Wi-Fi, connecting to the computer, likes, And this is a graph shows which social media platforms people use the most throughout the month. On to technical aspects. Question E. Describe how a user interacts with the innovation. Users interact with social media by downloading apps that tend to be for connecting with other people and sharing pictures, videos, and statuses. These social media platforms are usually Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. After downloading the app that is chosen, it usually asks for a username and password. The user puts down that information, and when that is done, that is when you're able to connect to anyone over social media. Question F. Describe in detail how the innovation technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas of abstraction, algorithms, programming, and/or the internet to accomplish its purpose. I wrote, the past couple weeks in class, we have been formulating a website that contains codes and programming to manage the entire site and to be able to upload videos, graphs, etc. Facebook, for example, is an app that is downloaded and is capable of uploading pictures, videos, and statuses due to the codes and program that is put into it. Relationship to data. Describe how the innovation consumes data as input, produces data as output, and/or transforms data. Social media consumes data by sending out information to different devices that are capable of receiving the information. For example, a message being sent through direct message on Facebook to another user that is using Facebook is a form of consuming data from social media, and then from that point on, goes back and forth. This makes it possible for data to transfer to one another. Question H. Describe at least one data storage concern, data privacy concern, or data security concern related to the innovation. I put Facebook, for example, has a feature that lets users know if someone is on their account while the user is not active. A message with a verification number is sent to the phone of the user so the user could be aware of someone being on their account. For instance, if a user usually uses their Facebook account in Providence, and then out of nowhere it's being used in Connecticut, the user will be notified that there is an account being used in that area. My references: Wikipedia, Google Scholar, the New York Times, and Pangdom. This is a link to Wikipedia, basically discussing what social media is. This is my cPanel. This is how I made my web page. I went to File Manager, and then I went to Public HTML, and this is where I focused on my pages. For instance, I went to Impacts. You go to Edit, and these are all the codes and programs that went into that page for my page to be what it is.